ready to unlock the power of automation and make your customer interaction smarter. First, let's dive into your Wati account and navigate the settings menu. This is where the magic begins for setting up webhooks. Once in settings, find the webhooks or integrations section. It might be labeled a bit differently depending on your version, but it's usually about connecting to external services. Now, on the webhook settings page, you will see fields like URL, events, and headers. This is where you'll configure when and where to send customer response data. In the URL field, enter the endpoint URL of the application where you want to receive the customer response data. Think of it as the address where Wati will send the info. Next, select the specific event that triggers the webhook. In our case, it's customer response. This ensures the webhook only fires when a customer sends a message. In the headers section, specify any custom headers your receiving application requires, for example, setting the content type to application, JSON. Finally, after filling out URL, selecting event triggers and adding the right headers, click the Save or Update button to activate your customer response webhook. Now, as soon as a customer responds, Wati will automatically send the response data to your specified application, streamlining workflows and enabling dynamic responses.